contact lens solution as my activator. So you can find a link in description box. And a spoon. First, you need to pour a glue into a bowl. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix well. So now it's time to add activator. If your slime is still sticky, add little bit activator until it is perfect. Here you go. Then start kneading it with your hands. And tada! Your slime is ready. Things you will need will be same as previous slime. Need 2 more ingredients. They are shaving foam to make slime fluffy, free lotion to make slime stretchy and soft. First, you need to pour a glue into a bowl. And then add a lotion and mix well. It's time to make your slime fluffy. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix well. So now it's time to add activator. Again, mix it well. This step is optional, but if you want, you can add color to make it fun. Here you go. Then start kneading it with your hands. Look at it. You can feel it. It's so soft and fluffy. And your fluffy slime is ready. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up.